see that?
That guy got some serious air behind you.
Wow, yeah.
That was really scary, and then on my pitch was like 14. I'm like,
Was it?
yeah, I'm like, oh.
Wow.
Or my roll was 4. I was like,
Oh. What happened?
did to myself.
Oh, nice. Alright, take it nice and slow. Try to take it a little wider, I think, to the right.
To the right?
Yeah, because you're getting close to that little hill.
I have plenty of space on the left.
Okay. Go. Pretty steep.
Yeah. Be careful. Oof. Go slow.
Yeah. Huh?
Doing good. Okay, so far. Doing good.
Take it slow. Nice. All right, slow. You got it. Uh-huh. I was just coming to say hi. It's cool.
That wasn't bad at all. It feels really controlled in the Jeep.
Yeah, you did great.
Really...
Oh, we gotta let this guy go.
Yeah.
So. Keep going. You're good. Go straight. Straight. Yep. Slow. Come on. You got it. It's easy now. Yeah, no, you're gonna make it right. Oh yeah, let's go up, let's go up. Huh? You should be able to. Let me see. Come on. All right. Let me go up. All right, come on. Yeah. More gas. There you go. I told you were fine.
It looks like straight up when.
A little bit of tire out.
Yeah.
Hopefully
Sway bar.
That
That would be good practice, though.
would be good practice. Not that I really want to practice that.
No, there's plenty of space.
Alright.
Easy on this side. Got room.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to tilt a little bit on this side.
Yeah.
Get the tires up on that rock. Alright. And we made it. Looks like there's nobody here.
Yeah. Thankfully, I don't have to reverse all the way back.
Wow, look at that. Should we do that one really quick?
You might need to put it in
I feel
for
a lot more
low.
confident this time. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Yeehaw! Whoa.
That was crazy.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Where are we at?
31.
Alright. Link. Blinky! Hey! Zelda, where are you?
Both the dogs are terrified.
She's hiding back there.
Alright, David, tell me your thoughts.
So we went to Ram Off-Road Park, was it?
Yep.
Yeah, for sure.
That's correct.
Over here in Colorado Springs area, and I thought it was great. I thought it had a lot to do. There was a lot of people for sure. There was a lot of
bikers.
yeah. What did you call those? Like off-road bikes or
They were dirt bikes.
dirt bikes.
A lot of dirt bikes.
Four-wheelers. So that was a little bit, you know, you had to be sure that you were driving safely, and because it's kind of a Wild West. But other than that, no, I thought it was great. There's so much stuff for us to kind of practice and get used to the Jeep and all the different features that the Jeep offers, like, you know, four low and lockers and whatnot, sway bar. So it was a ton of fun. I loved it.
A lot of fun.
Definitely some of those downward hills were pretty crazy.
They're scary, some of that parts.
Yeah, it was definitely interesting at times.
It takes time to get used to it.
Yeah, and also I feel like we were probably not using the right modes and whatnot for the Jeep. Like we probably could have done a lot of that in 4 high without ever having to go 4 low, but
or even manual for that matter.
yeah, and it's also getting used to the electric aspect of it. So we have an electric mode. It's definitely quick off the line. That's not necessarily what you want when you're going downhill or whatnot. So putting it in manual or in a hybrid mode is probably better for that.
I liked hybrid mode.
Yeah, no, hybrid was probably the smoothest. Probably what you want to do on a shelf road or something like that.
There's less, when you have it in electric and you just even touch the gas, there's that switch.
Yeah.
Almost where the gears are switching and it shoots you forward too fast.
Well, yeah, when electric, you're using the motor, and the motor is so powerful, you know, in context anyway.
So hybrid and manual was better.
Yeah,
I thought.
and we got to see all the little Jeeps. It was pretty sweet.
Not too many Jeeps today.
No, but we did see those too, and one guy came over to say hi, which is nice.
Yeah. Fellow Jeepers.
Fellow Jeepers for life. But,
so next time it's a trail.
Next time it's a trail. What'd you think about the Jeep overall?
The Jeep made it super easy.
Yeah.
If you're new at off-roading and you're looking for something to make that transition when you're brand new, Jeep is definitely the way to go. You feel very controlled, and even if it's scary, you still feel like you can do it.
Yeah, I agree. It was super smooth, and it handled going up and down those hills really well on the bumps. I thought I did really well on the 35-inch tires as well. So.
Wait, we have 33s.
Oh, 33s. That's
we
35s.
want 35s.
I want 35s.
We want 35s. We're not there yet.
33 Rubicon tires is what I meant. Yeah.
Yeah, 33s were totally fine for this.
Totally fine.
We'll see how they do on the actual trails.
Yeah, it should be opening up soon, so that'll be exciting.
Yeah, another month or two, and then we can do them all.
Yeah, I was really excited about this, though. It's really good. For $20, you get to spend the whole day there and just kind of practice.
As a note, if you want to do trails in Colorado Springs, you have to get a permit through the DMV, so get that done.
Oh, right. Yeah, we can still gotta get that registered, but we have some time.
Yeah, we'll
There
get
it comes. I have to get right up over here and you'll be able to see it pretty good.
Hey, there we go.
Wow, look at that.
Wow. The view in Colorado Springs.
Take the next right onto
A view everywhere you look.
It's true.
All right, that's it for the day.
That's it.
Happy trails.
Happy trails,
we'll see you
guys.
next time.
Peace.